Let's do it again. Try this one. I have often told you stories about the way I live the life of a dreamer waiting for the day
when I take your hand and sing a song, and maybe you would say, come live with me and love me, and I would surely stay.
But I feel I'm growing older, and the song that I have sung echo in the distance,
like the sound of the windmill going round. I guess I'll always be a soldier of fortune.
Many times I've been troubled, I look for something new. And the days of old when nights were cold, I wandered without you.
But those days I thought my eyes had seen you standing near. Though the brightness is confusing, it's just that you're not here.
Now I feel I'm growing older, and the song that I have sung echo in the distance, like the sound
of the windmill going round. I guess I'll always be a soldier of fortune.
Yes, I can hear the
Yes, I can hear the sound
of a windmill going round. I guess I'll always be a soldier of fortune.
I guess I'd always be a soldier of fortune.